apartment rent price collusion. There's an app for that, according to State Attorney General Chris Mays.
Her office is going after some big-name landlords and a software company, accusing them of working to raise rents to artificially high levels and keep them there. 13 News reporter Andres Rendon took a look at the case and even spoke with a resident on the matter.
Andres, how many companies are involved in this?
Dan and Brooke, there are exactly 10 defendants in this lawsuit. One of them is a software company and the other 9 are the biggest landlords across Arizona. And according to the lawsuit, all of these companies work together to inflate rent prices across the state. This is a full list of the companies involved in Mays' suit, including HSL Properties and Apartment Management Consultants, which own several complexes across southern Arizona. In the 54-page lawsuit, the state claims the companies violated 2 state laws, the Arizona Uniform State Antitrust Act and the Arizona Consumer Fraud Act. These prohibit the creation of monopolies to fix prices, as well as prohibiting deceptive practices. The Phoenix and Tucson metro areas have seen large increases in rent, allegedly due to the company's actions.
In Tucson, 37% of households are renters, and they have seen a 30% rent increase since 2022.
Meanwhile, Phoenix has seen a 76% increase in rent since 2016. According to Mays, RealPage used revenue management software to analyze rent prices for different units and colluded with the 9 landlords to control the rental market.
Using this sensitive data, RealPage then directed the competitors who entered this conspiracy on which units to rent, when to rent them, and at what price.
One tenant from Domain 3201, owned by Avenue 5, moved to her complex 2 years ago from Massachusetts. While she says the cost of living is much lower than what she experienced in the Northeast, the price of her rent in Arizona is going up too quickly.
I sell insurance. You can control how fast you're driving, how good you're a driver. You can control things that will decrease what it costs you for your car insurance. But with rent, you have to live somewhere. You don't have any control.
Heidi Anderson recently shopped around for a new lease since her total rent costs went up more than $200 in 2 years. But she found that other complexes were no better.
If it was just a matter of one mom and pop who had this apartment building and they suddenly increase the rent, then you'd say, okay, well, I'm going to go out and look at something else. But then you find out that that place is also owned by RealPage. You know, RealPage is still controlling that.
The state is demanding a trial by jury, and if the companies are found responsible for illegally raising rent prices, they must pay any costs associated with the case, like attorney, civil penalty, and investigative fees. One of the companies I reached out to, Apartment Management Consultants, did provide a statement saying, quote, AMC strongly denies the allegations in the complaint pertaining to AMC's direct involvement or usage of these RealPage products in Arizona, and will seek the immediate dismissal of AMC from this lawsuit. None of the other companies, including the software company RealPage, got back to us. Live near Ina and Shannon, Andres Rendon, 13 News.